Assalamualaikum everyone. This experiment is from class 4th and this is the science experiment, and the experiment name is water filtration or water purification. And here we have a plastic bottle and we cut it into two pieces. We have tissue paper, stones and sand. So let's start our experiment. Before starting this, don't forget to press our bell icon and don't forget to share this video with your friends. First we take a plastic bottle and carefully cut it into two parts. And then we place tissue paper and sand into the upper part of our bottle, like this student working in this video. So you have to do the same thing, and then we are going to add the sand into it. Let him add sand into the bottle. We should like to inform you that admissions are now open in our school. I mentioned the contact number and location below. You can check from there. Now followed by a layer of small stones. After setting up the layer, we slowly pour dirty water into the bottle. As the water passes through the sand, tissue and stones, it gets filtered and comes out cleaner from the bottom. This experiment shows how simple materials can help in the purification of water. Hope so you learned from this video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.